Hi, keeping it real here with a follow-up to my previous video yesterday about lessening the utility use, but I had a change of heart and I did actually use a bit more utility than I was going to right at the end between 10:30 and midnight. And there's a reason to my madness. Basically, the rate was cheaper and we were going to have some use, whatever the use was during the night. As long as this rate's cheaper than that, then it makes sense to use the Powervault even during the summer days. We ended up using 9.48 instead of 4 kilowatts, and I had a tiny bit of charge still left over, so the battery would have carried us through. But here you notice during the night up to about 3:30 we've got high usage, which is the blue bit, and then we went on to grid when the Powervault emptied out. And today I've used 1.92 kilowatts, but the consumption's been 10 kilowatts. So, or it wasn't 10, sorry, it was about 6, I think, if I remember. But there you go. And here's the figures to back all of this up. So to save money today, I look at yesterday's cheap rate when I charged up, and it came up to an average of 5.33 pence a kilowatt between those hours, 10:30 and midnight. And if we then compare it to what I would have been paying up to about 3:30 a.m., you see it never goes below 6.39. So I've saved some money. I think I've worked out it's 5 or 10p, but whatever it is, it comes off a total required sum of 25p, which is what I'm trying. I'm trying to reach 25p a day. I hope this kind of helps with my madness. Subscribe and like if you